Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio for free. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account. If you're using it for the first time, simply accept the terms and continue. Once you're on the home page, click New Chat or Create Prompt. You'll see a text box where you can type anything you want the AI to help with. For example, you can ask it to write articles, summarize text, generate ideas, explain topics, translate languages, or even write code. Next, choose the AI model you want to use. Different Gemini models are available for different tasks, so you can select the one that best fits your needs. Now, enter your prompt and click Run or Send. Within a few seconds, Google AI Studio will generate a response.
Octopuses are among the smartest creatures in the ocean. They have 9 brains, one central brain and a small brain in each of their 8 arms. They can solve puzzles, open jars, escape from aquariums, and even recognize individual people. Unlike most animals, about 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are located in its arms, allowing each arm to move and react almost independently. They also have 3 hearts and blue blood, making them one of the most unique animals on Earth. Scientists continue to study octopuses because their incredible intelligence may help us better understand how complex brains evolve. The next time you think of a sea creature, remember that an octopus might be smarter than you expect.
If you're not happy with the result, simply edit your prompt, add more details, and generate a new response. Google AI Studio is a great tool for students, developers, content creators, and anyone who wants to save time using AI. The more detailed your prompts are, the better the results you'll get. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.